हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू S2S क्लासेस। आज हम 10th क्लास का वीडियो अपलोड कर देंगे शाम तक। इसमें हमने 6 लेक्चर अपलोड कर दिए थे। आज 7th लेक्चर है। इस 7th लेक्चर में चैप्टर जो है आपका सेकंड इज़ गोइंग टू ओवर टुडे। इन 6 लेक्चर में हमने पोलिनोमियल्स, 2 डिग्री पोलिनोमियल, zeros of the polynomials, how can find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, etc. we have completed. Exercise 2.1 of Ncert, exercise 2.2 also started, and today continue exercise 2.2. In that continuous question number 2, question 1 done in the lecture 6. Okay, now here find a quadratic polynomial, each with the given numbers, each with the given number. What given number? In each case are as the sum and the product of its zeros respectively. You know the sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta minus b upon a, and product of the zeros, c upon a. These done in the lecture 5 and 6. You know. Okay. Now we have to find out that quadratic polynomial whose sum of zeros and product of zeros are given. Okay. Now how can do this? We know one standard relationship, sum of zeros with the coefficient, product of zeros with their coefficients. So with the help of that we have to find the quadratic polynomial related to that each part. So in the first part, solution. In first part, sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is equal to, we know, minus b upon a. This formula we know. So then this implies alpha plus beta, sum of zeros given 1 upon 4 in first part. Sum of zeros alpha plus beta value given 1 upon 4, and then product given minus 1. Like this given the number in the question. So alpha plus beta is 1 upon 4 given, and this is minus b upon a. So it is equation number 1. Similarly, product alpha into beta, product of the zeros is equal to c upon a. We know formula c upon a. Then this product given first part minus 1. So this is implies minus 1 is equal to c upon a. Okay, this is equation number 2. These two equations you have, one minus b upon a 1 upon 4, other c upon a minus 1. Understand how can do that? Denominator in this equation c upon a, and here also minus b upon a. A is the denominator in both the equation in one side. Okay, so we have to take the LCM of that number which have c upon a value minus 1 upon 1 and minus b upon a value 1 upon 4. So if we compare, denominator is a, a is the same thing for each question. So here a is 1, we can say here, and here a is 4. So how will be different? A is the same for one each question. Ax square plus bx plus c is the standard quadratic polynomial. So a must be the same. So question arises that 1 and 4 how will be equal? If any two number want to make the same, then always one mathematical tools is there. What is that? LCM of that number. Okay. So if any two number we want to take the equal, so their lowest common multiple we are taking to make the equal. Standard tools in the mathematics, if you want to take the one number instead two number, equal number. So LCM of the 1 and 4 standard. So value of A value of A will be equal to always for these question LCM of denominators. 4 here denominator 1, LCM of 4 and 1. So what will be LCM of 4 and 1? LCM 4. So A value is equal to 4. So this implies A is equal to 4. This is the one method to find the value of A always. Okay. Now after that, this put the value of A in equation 1, putting or substituting, ठीक है, putting the value of A in equation 1. Equation 1 is minus B upon A value put 4. So minus B upon A means 4 is equal to 1 upon 4. Then implies that what is B? B minus B upon 4, this 4 will come this side, multiply, cancel, so minus B equal to 1, then B is equal to minus 1. Okay, clear this? Okay, now putting this value A in equation number 2, same from equation 2, from equation 2 we get what? Minus 1 upon 1 is equal to C upon A. A is 4. Okay, and then this implies 4 will go this side and multiply, so then C is equal to minus 4. 4 1 ja 4, minus 4 upon 1, then minus 4. So these value you get with the help of A. Always this is the standard method to calculate the value of A, B, C if sum of zeros and product of zeros are given of a quadratic polynomial. So we can take the value of A by this sum of the zeros minus B upon A, product of the zeros, C upon A is the denominator same. So check the number which given, that must be the same denominator. If not, then take LCM of the both denominator to make the equal. Okay, now this completed. Now next part, second part is root 2. Second part, sum is root 2. So write the sum is root 2. So alpha plus beta minus B upon A, second part, and then this write how much given this sum of the zeros alpha plus beta value root 2. Then put root 2 is equal to minus B upon A. This is equation 1. Now alpha into beta C upon A formula, and this is given 1 upon 3 in second part. So this is 1 upon 3. So alpha into beta yani C upon A is equal to C upon A is equal to alpha into beta is 1 upon 3. equation number 2. Now check here equation 1 and 2. C upon A, here B minus B upon A, so here root 2, denominator nothing, then 1. So here 3 denominator, here 1 denominator, then LCM of 1 and 3. So value of A, same method, LCM of the both denominator. So 1 and 3, so LCM of 1 and 3, 1 and 3 का एलसीएम लेकर ही हम उसको सेम नंबर बना सकते हैं. सेम क्यों बनाया? क्योंकि माइनस बी अपॉन ए है इक्वल, एंड ये इक्वल सी अपॉन ए, एंड ए इज द सेम ए इन वन क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज वन क्वेश्चन क्वाड्रेटिक ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी, तो ए विल बी यूनिक फॉर द specific one question. So for which question these sum and product given, so minus b upon a and c upon a must be the same. So here make the same 3 and 1, that will be 3. इनको एक ही नंबर सेम नंबर बनाने के लिए एलसीएम लेते हैं. ओके डन. तो एलसीएम ऑफ 1 and 3 इक्वल, दिस इम्प्लाइज एलसीएम ऑफ 1 and 3 इक्वल 3. So means A value is equal to 3. This implies A is equal to 3. Now putting value of A, same method, value of A in equation 1. Equation 1 is root 2 upon 1 is equal to root 2 upon 1 is equal to minus b upon a. A is 3. Okay. Then solving it, then 3 in divide, it will go in multiply. So 3 root 2 is equal to minus b, and minus will come this side, then b is equal to minus 3 root 2. Okay. So similarly we can find now C, putting value of A put in equation 2. Equation 2 is C upon A. Equation 2, this C upon A is 3 is equal to A is 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. Then compare, then C is equal to 1. Then C is equal to 1. Now in the first part I have not written that quadratic polynomial. Now we should write. So with the help of A, B, C we can write. Now quadratic equation, we know this formula we have to use. We know the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. This is quadratic polynomial. Now put in this a b value. So required polynomial is equal to a is 3, then 3x square. Put the value of a, b, c in standard quadratic polynomial whose zeros was given. Then 3x square, because a is 3 and b is minus 3 root 2, minus 3 root 2x, b value put, and then plus c value is 1, so plus 1. So this is our answer. For the first part which we have done, that also put a, b, c and write the quadratic polynomial, which I have not written. Okay, you may write that. Okay, similarly as here a b c, find out and then put in this. This is the standard quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, that it will be answer, and this is answer because find quadratic polynomial saying. Okay, now in third part, similarly in third part you can do what is third part? Third is 0 comma root 5. Sum of the zeros 0, means alpha plus beta is 0. So put here 0. Okay, alpha plus beta in third part. Alpha plus beta value given 0. So 0 is equal to minus b upon a. Okay, comma. Product is c upon a, then product given in third part root 5. Then root 5 is equal to c upon a. So this implies c upon a is equal to root 5. Product given. So then denominator nothing, then 1. Here denominator nahi hai, so then 1. So what is here LCM of the denominator in both? Product of the zeros and sum of the zeros, denominator is 1, 1. So LCM is 1. So a value of a is equal to LCM of denominator 1 and 1 is equal to 1. So this implies a is equal to 1. Okay. After that put this value in equation 1. Putting the value of a in equation 1. Equation 1 is this and equation 2 is this. So in equation 1 minus b upon a is equal to 0 upon 1. So putting a value, a is 1. So minus b upon a is 1 is equal to 0 upon 1. This implies b is equal to 0. Okay. Now from equation second, what is second? C upon a is equal to root 5 on. This implies putting a here, a value is 1, then c upon 1 is equal to root 5 upon 1. Put a is equal to 1 because a put in each equation to find the b and c. Okay, now this c equal to, from here denominator same, then c equal to root 5. By cross multiply we can solve here. ठीक है, c is equal to root 5. Then c also you got. Now so thus required quadratic polynomial is equal ax square plus bx plus c. Put here a. What is a? 1 x square, then x square plus b x, b is 0 plus 0 into x will be finished 0 and plus c is root 5. So final what is final? X term finish, then it is x square and a 0 into x 0, then plus root 5. This is your required quadratic polynomial answer. Okay, like this you can do other part also. Similarly you can do the fourth part and fifth part and the sixth part. Six parts are there. Okay, easily can do this. Now one part more, okay, we may do, otherwise these are the same thing. I think now understood and you can do that. This is the standard method to find the quadratic polynomial if sum of zeros and product of zeros are given. One more direct formula. One other method also want to tell what the quadratic equation when sum of zeros are given, the quadratic polynomial direct. This one is there, quadratic polynomial. What? X square minus sum of zeros into x, sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. This, or we can write what? X square minus bracket alpha plus beta sum of zeros taken with alpha plus beta, that value, into x, direct quadratic, and plus alpha into beta. This also you can do by this also. Okay, now this is completed and exercise also completed. Last question was there. Now I want to tell you forward something, some important thing for this chapter. What? If zeros 1 0 given, find the other. Like these questions, some special type of questions which not in Ncert book, but these are important for the point of exam, board exam. So I want to tell one question. If a quadratic equation has, if a quadratic polynomial, if a quadratic polynomial k plus 1 into x square plus 2x minus k minus 1 has one zero, has its 1 0, has 1 0, minus 2, then find the Find the value of, write down this question, find the value of k and other 0. Okay, find the value of k and other 0. So quadratic polynomial given in the way unknown k and 1 0 is given -2. So we can say it is the polynomial k plus 1 into x square plus 2x minus k minus 1. Okay, this clear? So sum of zeros we can find from that also. Sum of zeros -2 alpha and beta unknown is equal to c upon a, but ये unknown, so we have to use standard method where polynomial is 0 on its each 0 यानी value of x, यानी कि what is that कि 0 is given यानी x is equal to -2 given, 1 0 is given, 1 0 is given, it means value of x is given, alpha is the value of x where polynomial becomes 0. Okay, यानी p we can say p x की value -2 putting here and it will be 0 is equal to k plus 1 into x square, x is -2 whole square 4 plus 2 into -2 x value -2 minus k minus 1 bracket. This is 0, so it means multiply 4k plus 4, simplify, plus 2 into -2 minus 4, 2 to the 4 and minus k, open the bracket, then minus plus 1, minus outside bracket, then change the sign inside, then this is equal to 0 because this value is equal to 0 because this polynomial value is 0 at x is equal to -2 because -2 is the 1 0. Okay, this is the standard method. Now solve 4k minus 4 plus 4 cancel, then 4k minus k 3k, simplify it is in the k variable equation is equal to plus 1 will go that side -1, then this implies k is equal to -1 by 3. Clear? Now find the value of k. The k is equal to this answer. Now other zeros, how can take sum of the zeros? Sum of zeros is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha plus beta, alpha is -2 plus beta we can find other 0 and minus b, compare here, minus b, what is minus b? B is coefficient of x is b is 2. What is b in the question? 2. And c, tell what is c? C is all constant minus k minus 1. C is minus bracket k minus 1. This is the value of c. Okay, and value of a What is value of a? Coefficient of x square, k plus 1. This type you compare and take the values of a, b and c, okay, and put here, then minus b is 2, so minus 2 upon a is k plus 1. Now k we have, find out, put the value of k, then minus 2 upon k minus 1 upon 3 plus 1, put the value of k minus 1 upon 3 and then plus 1. Now simplify, here minus 2 will go that side, then beta is equal to plus beta only, which we have to find other root. This will be minus 2 divided by minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 1 and plus 2. Simplify this, okay, simplify forward. Now it will come yes. Now here denominator LCM, minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 1, then denominator में LCM 3, then minus 1 as it is and plus 3 1 ja 3, this, and numerator having minus 2, okay, and plus 2 upon 1, okay, this. Now simplify this. How? First this minus 2 डिवाइड बाई फ्रैक्शन, फ्रैक्शन का रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा, माइनस 2 इंटू 3 विल गो अप and then minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2. Understand? If any fraction in divide, so that multiply and reciprocal, so 3 up multiply में and denominator में minus 1 plus 3 is 2. Then this and plus 2 upon 1. Then LCM, then beta value is equal to LCM is 2, then minus 2 into 3, minus 6 and plus LCM is 2, then denominator 1, 1 2 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, then minus 6 plus 4 will be minus 2 upon 2, okay, minus 6 plus 4, subtract and then 2 minus 2 and divide by 2, then minus 1. Then it means other 0 is minus 1. 1 0 was given minus 2, other 0 is minus 1. Okay, clear? And value of k is 1 upon 3. Clear? Okay. Now like these questions you can do, okay, many questions we can make like this, that you should do that. Now in this chapter polynomial, these things are there in Ncert cbse syllabus, not more than these, important things only these, okay. Now if you want to write in the cubic polynomial, then also you can write in cubic polynomial this is 3 degree, standard form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is standard form. Here also sum of zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma. 3 zeros will be there in cubic polynomial. Okay, how much degree highest power, that what will be the zeros. So 3 zeros, alpha, beta, gamma. Let us suppose these x value 3. So sum of zeros is equal to here. Same as here started in the sum of zeros minus b upon a. Then here also minus b upon a. Okay, minus b upon a. And then product sum. 2 product alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus alpha into gamma is equal to minus b upon a, then c upon a. Same, minus b upon a, then c upon a, and product 3 are there. All 3 multiply. Alpha into beta into gamma, product of all 3 will be equal to minus d upon a. These also 3 relation you can write. Okay, then alpha into beta into gamma minus d upon a. So this is standard cubic polynomial, and these relation in the zeros and coefficient we may understand, but this is not in your syllabus in NCERT. It is deleted. Cubic up to quadratic is there. ओके, आज हमने ये वीडियो आपको अपलोड कर देनी है शाम तक. ठीक है, आप वॉच करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें, जिससे कि आगे आपको कंटिन्यूस नोटिस मिलता रहेगा. आपको और भी अच्छे अच्छे वीडियो मिलती रहेंगी. और नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, थर्ड चैप्टर विल बी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. ओके, थैंक यू.